Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and customize a workspace in ERPNext to keep your daily tasks organized and easy to access. A workspace in ERPNext is a customizable page where you can group shortcuts, reports, and tools based on how you work. Start by logging into your ERPNext account and opening the main dashboard. From the sidebar or Workspace menu, look for the option to create a new workspace. Click on New Workspace and choose the Workspace option to begin setup. Fill in the workspace details, including the title, visibility, parent page, and module. Once everything is set, save the workspace. You can always come back and make changes later. After saving, switch to Edit mode to add shortcuts, links, reports, or cards that match your workflow. Customizing your workspace helps you work faster by keeping everything you need in one place. And that's how to create a workspace in ERPNext. Thanks for watching.